There's a secret in Kendall County. It's a home like no other. And it has a rich history, from its famous architect to its not so famous female owner. Elizabeth Matthews tonight with the Edith Farnsworth House.
A mid-century modern, about 11,000 visitors come to see the glass house every year, many of them from abroad. From the visitor center, the home is either a short walk or a golf cart ride away.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Now the house isn't the only piece of art nestled in the woods. The National Trust also welcoming out artists to share their work.
David Wallace Haskins created Image Continuous, named for one of Edith's poems, and like the house, celebrates nature and effortless design. Mahaffey says patron of the arts, Edith, would be slightly embarrassed, but in awe of all the attention.
She really did have a role in changing the course of American architecture.
Elizabeth Matthews, Fox 32, Chicago.